When we designed this room, we really wanted to blend the inside and the outside together. Here we specifically used the bifold doors so that they could be left open and the room can really flow in and out. We designed the pool with the infinity edge to be aligned straight out the doors, blending completely with the lake beyond. I knew that we had had a success in the design, and much of that is attributed to the Marvin product working so well in this particular room.
The indoor-outdoor connection is very critical. We want to be able to be inside the house, at the same time feel like the outside is an extension of the room that we are in. And vice versa, when I'm outside I want to feel like the room on the inside is part of the same space. The goal was to make the rooms feel bigger, more open, filled with more light, filled with more air, filled with more peripheral distance. The Marvin Scenic doors behind me, we felt really captured that goal. When I'm sitting in this space and looking outside, I feel like this outdoor room almost feels like an extension of an indoor room. We were very impressed with the way Marvin enabled us to design to whatever size we wanted. They operate very easily and seamlessly, and when fully open, you feel like the outside is part of your space.